Flash notifications can be helpful when you need a visual alert for calls and messages, but they can also be distracting in everyday use. On the Galaxy A17, you can turn them off completely or only for certain apps. Here's how to do it. Open the Settings app, then swipe up and tap Accessibility. On the next screen, tap Advanced Settings. Now tap Flash Notification. You'll see two options, Camera Flash Notification and Screen Flash Notification. Toggle the switches next to these options to disable them right away. If you only want to block flash notifications for specific apps, tap Camera Flash Notification, then scroll through the list of apps. Find the one you want to block and turn its switch off. Repeat this for any other apps you'd like to adjust. From now on, your phone's camera flash and screen won't light up for every notification, giving you a calmer experience. This is especially useful if you're in meetings, at school, or simply want to keep your phone from drawing attention in dark environments. If this video helped you manage notifications on your Galaxy A17, please give it a like or watch another video to learn more ways to make your device work better for you.